So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to generate a brief on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right here and press on the profile picture icon. Then where it says My Fiverr and My Briefs, go ahead and select that. Now in this case, I don't have a brief created, so I'm going to use the help of AI here to start and create my first brief by pressing on Generate Brief. Then once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and describe your project. So in this case, I need someone to voice over videos, something like that. And you can go to the bottom right and press on Generate Brief. Now what it's going to be doing is using artificial intelligence or AI to help you create this brief right here. So it may take a couple of seconds, could take a couple of minutes. I guess only time will tell. So in this case here, voiceover artist for videos, what best describe your needs? I can go ahead and select ongoing or one time, maybe just an ongoing thing right here. You can then scroll down and edit a bunch of different stuff right here. This is what's being created. So you can go ahead and edit the voice right here. So if you wanted to go male, female, doesn't really matter. You can press save, voiceover language. You can go ahead and if I just wanted to type in English, for example, you can type in English just like that. Ideal candidate optional, budget and timeline. You can go ahead and select your budget here. So if your budget is $25 an hour, you can go ahead and do limited, basically fill it in. If all looks good to you, you can go ahead and make it just like that. Press on save, and at the bottom, go ahead and select post your brief. It's now going to take a couple seconds to post your brief. So using a little bit of help of AI, it can help create a posting for you. You can go ahead and view the brief progress right here, or you can also go ahead and see all briefs just like that. So there you go, my briefs. I've now just created one. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to generate a brief on Fiverr. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.